Sporting the new merch. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you again for tuning in and welcome back to another video. Today's video is about the BMW M3 not being here. The M3 is gone. What the actual... I'm gonna stop playing with you guys real quick because I'm a bad actor. But anyway, so as you can tell from today's title of the video, I'm gonna try to track down my BMW M3, which is about a little bit over a quarter mile away. I wanted to put it somewhere that was definitely outside the Wi-Fi network. You know, people were talking about like, oh, it uses Bluetooth technology. That's only part of it. It puts out like a small Bluetooth signal, but it uses the crowdsourced Apple network technology they call ultra-wideband technology that tries to triangulate that Bluetooth device, that AirTag, and uses other Apple devices going on right now discreetly and securely to try to triangulate that device. And so that's why I wanted it away from my house, a little bit over a quarter mile away. I want to really see, this is the first time I'm actually going to put something outside my house. You know, I have a AirTag on my Kies because sometimes the little one will carry away with them or they get stuck between couch cushions. But we're going to go track down the M3, see how accurate it is, and if I can recover my car. Let's go. So stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to show you how easy it is and quick and simple it is to to set up your AirTag. But let's say you lost something, whether it's your keys or your wife's purse or wherever you put that AirTag attached. I'm going to put mine discreetly. Right now it's in a cup holder, but I'm actually going to put it discreetly somewhere else in the future to hide it. When you do find mine, or if you go into lost mode, it will put out a sound. So you don't want to just leave it in the cup holder like I currently have right now, because a thief would just go, oh, an AirTag, put down the window and chuck it out. So when it comes time, if you decide to do what I'm doing, make sure you put it somewhere where maybe they won't hear that sound. I'm not going to say where, but anyway, you can do a little screen recording for you here, show you exactly what I'm going to do. Once you go here, you're just going to go to Find My. I'm going to kind of blur out currently where my keys are. My keys are on me. I have a little AirTag there. But as you can see, my M3 is about a quarter mile away. So we are going to we're going to select that, and we're going to go to, like I said, you could go to lost mode and you can enable that. I don't know if I'm going to do that right now. I'm actually just going to do directions and going to see what it says. It is near this address here, and a little over a quarter mile away. It says 0.3 miles. So I am going to go, and we're going to go for a walk and do a little bit of a time lapse here. Here we go. As you can see here, I'm actually kind of getting like a driving direction. There's probably other ways about doing this, whether there's a walking mode, I'm not sure, but it says it's about 7 minutes away or about 0.3 miles. And it's kind of giving me like step-by-step directions here. Besides the cicada noise, it's actually a decent day out today. A little overcast. It's actually kind of interesting. It's actually counting down the feet on... It's almost like just putting in a destination in maps here and giving you street-by-street directions on where to turn. All right, just made this left turn here. And turning right. And it says we're about 500 feet away. And here we go. Looking for an M3. Anyone seen an M3? There's a 535 with blue wheels and smoked taillights. All right, looking for an M3, about 300 feet away. 250 feet. $200 feet. 150 feet. Says I've arrived. Boom. There she is. Look at that. En route. 100 feet away. That's pretty spot on, guys. That is pretty spot on. And like I said, I just threw it in the cup holder there. I do not recommend just leaving it out there because someone who takes your car will just see that and check out the windows. So I put that in a discreet spot. That was super accurate. That was much more accurate than I thought it would be. I mean, yeah, turn-by-turn directions, that's pretty incredible. So props to Apple for coming up with this little device. I don't think it's meant to be exactly used as a low jack, but hey, you know, there's no subscription fee. It's $30. And if you have an iPhone, it's kind of like it's a no-brainer. So the only thing you have to do is make sure that you have good battery life. Apple says it lasts about approximately a year. And if it dies on you, you're gonna know right away, because one of your Find My devices is gonna go off, you'll get an alert. Anyway, let's go back inside the house. I'll show you how easy it is to set it up. All right, guys, so we're back inside. I just kind of want to explain real quick, very simplistic, on how that technology works, what you get, and really how easy it is to set up. So don't skip forward, because I'm just going to kind of give you the bullet points here. But what AirTags do, it puts out a small Bluetooth signal, and it uses Apple's ultra-wideband technology. And apparently it uses Apple's existing network of devices, and it kind of does like a crowd-sourced beacon type of thing, where it basically will use other Apple devices on the network and kind of triangulate, if you will, to figure out where that Bluetooth signal is coming from, and sends it securely back to your phone. And it doesn't, you know, take a lot of energy. You don't even know that your phone is kind of helping someone else find their product, but it's very cool technology. You can get one for $29, or you can get a 4-pack for $99. This is a 4-pack. Essentially, I didn't really need 4, but I asked a buddy, hey, do you need 2? And he was like, yeah, I could use 2. And he was like, you could use 2. So we just split it, and it ended up being like $25 each since we split it up. So anyway, this is what the packaging is. Open it up, pull it out. Like I said, this would be a 4-pack. As you can see, 3 are already gone, so we're going to use this guy right here. So I'm going to show you exactly how quick and easy this is to set up. We're going to take this little piece of plastic off here, and when it says when you are ready to use, you just take this piece of little plastic here, and we're going to pull down, and we're going to make sure it's somewhat near the phone. So here's my phone here. I'm going to make sure to pull the plastic out. It just made a little beep sound. And boom, you see AirTag, and we are going to connect. So I'm going to hit connect, and it comes up with some predetermined things. This is a backpack, this is for a bike, this is for a camera, this is for a handbag. I'm going to go down to custom name, and I'm going to call it BMW M3. And I'm going to continue. Choose an emoji. I like the little checkered flag. Sure, we're going to go with that. And continue. Register your AirTag to your Apple ID. I'm going to kind of blur that out there, but yep, that's my email, and that'll be my phone number, so continue. And setting up. BMW M3. There we go. Precision finding, play a sound, direction and maps. Cool, and I'm just going to hit done. And it says that it's with me because it knows it's within inches of my phone. So that's how simple that is. That's the way the technology works. I am going to do a little disclosure here. I don't think this is a substitute to a full anti-theft low jack system. It still relies on a battery, and that battery could die. However, even if it does, you actually will get a notification in your Find My letting you know that it's offline and that you would have to put a new battery in it. But that is just my little disclosure. I can't say that this is 100% foolproof, but it's better than nothing. So in the event that something actually does happen to my car, at least it will get me one step closer to the general vicinity of where it may end up. Anyway, that's enough for the Apple AirTags. I thought today was kind of a neat little video to actually see how accurate the technology is, and actually it turns out it's pretty good. If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done it already, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. I will catch you guys next time. Out.